Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to log in into your Cigna provider portal. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Well, first thing is you just want to search for Cigna provider portal just like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says Cigna for healthcare professional, click on it. Make sure it takes you to Cigna for CHP. This is the official URL for the website. You can pause the video to see if you're in the correct website. Now once you're in this page where it says Cigna for HCP, you want to click on where it says username, enter the username of your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login. And if the username and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your Cigna provider portal. And if you forgot the password or username of your account, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.